Greetings everyone, this is a 2003 Gulfstream Cavalier. It's a 32. I cleaned this particular model out for somebody, but this is the typical look and arrangement on the inside for a 2001 to a 2008 year model, I believe. They're all similar in design. So it was cleaned very extensively, it was vacuumed, it was sanitized, and the exterior was gently cleaned also. All of the light bulbs were replaced on the exterior and interior, and everything worked in excellent condition on this RV. It is a 21-year-old model with all appliances and a mattress on the bed, everything working in excellent condition. It was well kept, preserved pretty decently for age, so it doesn't have the normal wear and tear, because it was, in my opinion, gently used. So the only thing replaced was the toilet, which was not original, and the bunkhouse room was converted into a utility room. So I really hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe as always. I hope you like more future videos that I will have.